This is take two of our video for today because I already took a video earlier this morning. However, not all information that I was sharing were fully correct. So this time, I'm going to share a proper information because we're going to talk about hidden disability sunflower. Ano ito? Hidden disability sunflower, these are actually ID cards na naka-lanyard na green at may sunflower na logo. It is also called a sunflower lanyard. Now, ito ay sinusuot ng either ng person na may hidden disability or kasama ng person na may hidden disability. And take note na the person who has a hidden disability doesn't have to inform kung ano ang klaseng disability pag nanghingi siya ng lanyard. But it's also best kung masabi man niya doon sa staff na hiningan niya ng lanyard kung anong his disability, because they will take it to record, at least aware sila that if anything happens, pwede kang matulungan agad. Now, for those people naman na alam ang sunflower lanyard or hidden disability sunflower, yung lanyard itself na color green, they will be able to ask you kung kailangan mo ng tulong, especially if you travel alone. What are the hidden disabilities? Kasama na dyan yung mga neurodivergent natin na mga kasama sa buhay, or yung mga neurodivergent na mga individuals, yung mga may mental health conditions such as anxiety, depression, PTSD, or OCD. Tapos, ito binabasa ko na. Kung may chronic illness ka, such as chronic pain, yung fatigue, at saka kung may autoimmune disease ka, yan, kasama yan sa chronic illnesses. At saka sensory impairment, half blind, hearing loss, yun. Isa yan, yan yung mga sample niyan. At saka yung medical conditions like epilepsy, diabetes, heart condition, so on and so forth. And then, kung may genetic condition ka. So, these are very helpful, and this is for you to know. How does it look like ang sunflower lanyard or hidden disability sunflower? Here, I'm showing it to you. Yan ang sample na yan. So I hope you learned something today, and if you do, please don't forget to like this video and share it to your loved ones or to your friends who may be able to relate to this video. So don't forget to subscribe or to follow us in this video and give us a thumbs up or put a heart. Thank you for watching. Stay cool, stay safe, stay blessed, and peace. Amping mo.